How to use English tenses correctly. Using English tenses correctly is key to expressing time and actions clearly. There are three main tenses: past, present, and future. The present tense describes actions happening right now or regularly. For example, I eat breakfast every day. The past tense describes actions that have already happened, such as I ate breakfast this morning. The future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen, like I will eat breakfast tomorrow. Each of these tenses has different forms, such as simple, continuous, and perfect. The present continuous tense is used for actions happening at the moment, like I am eating. The past perfect tense is used to describe actions that happened before another action in the past, such as I had eaten before I left. Understanding these tenses and practicing them in different sentences will help you communicate more clearly.